Acetylene, a powerful fuel with extreme safety risks. Highly flammable and capable of explosive decomposition, even without oxygen or under low pressure. Safe handling is critical in welding and cutting. Acetylene detonations are supersonic. Conventional safety devices cannot stop decomposition in time. For systems with 2 or more acetylene cylinders, DIN EN ISO 14114 mandates a fast shutoff device. The WITT HDS17 is a fully automatic shutoff system designed to stop acetylene decomposition instantly. In an emergency, it shuts off gas flow faster than the supersonic pressure wave, preventing disaster. Its piston mechanism reacts immediately, halting decomposition and stopping gas flow completely. The WITT HDS17 is certified by IBEXU based on the highest international safety standards. Type approval and ongoing routine testing ensure maximum reliability. For absolute safety in acetylene systems, install the WITT HDS17.